Hello students, this is Abhishek Dixit from the Department of Civil Engineering, PSIT College of Engineering. Today I am creating a short tutorial on how to create a map using QGIS software so that you can perform the experiment number 4 and create your own map and paste it in the file which has to be submitted later. So first of all, we will start QGIS software by clicking on this icon. It will take some time to open the software. Once the welcome screen comes, you will click on new empty project. So we will double click on new empty project. The blank screen will come. So the first step is, if you cannot see the browser panel or the layer panel, it can be viewed from, you have to go to view, then panels, and here you have to tick browser, tick layer, and tick processing toolbox panels. These three panels has to be ticked for this experiment number 4. Now we have to input the shapefiles and the raster image in the layers panel. So we have to go to browser panel. From here we have to search where our files are stored, and from here we have to input the raster image, that is digital elevation model file, which is in TIF format. Next we will have to input the shapefile of area of interest, that is in SHP format. These two shapefiles will come in the layers panel, we can see here. So the next step is to change the color of area of interest. It can be changed from going right click on area of interest and going to properties. From here on symbology we will select outline red, then click on apply and OK. Here it will come in outline red shape. Then next, the digital elevation model file is in gray format, in gray color. So we have to change it in colored format, pseudo color. We can change it by going to digital elevation model layer, right click, properties, from here symbology, then going to instead of single band gray we have to select single band pseudo color. Here in the color ramp we have to select create new color ramp. From here we have to go to catalog, CPT city, and click OK. A new window will open up. From here we have to go to top of the CPT palettes, and here we will select the gradient BCYR. Click on OK. The next step is to change the mode to equal interval and classes to around 10 classes. Then click on apply and OK. Now the gradient, the color has been changed for the digital elevation model file. If we want to see particular pixel value of the digital elevation model file, we can go to here in the menu bar, click on identify features. Now after clicking on identify features, just click anywhere on the image, right click it and select digital elevation model. In this right identify results window, we can see the pixel value 102, which means that this particular pixel is 102 meters above mean sea level. Now again deselect it by clicking on this pan map icon. Now we have to clip this particular area of interest. To clip this area of interest, we have to go to processing toolbox. Here search clip, select clip raster by mask layer, double click it. The window will open up. Here the input layer will be digital elevation model, the mask layer will be area of interest. Now run the file. After running, a new clipped mask layer will be visible in this layer panel. Now we have to untick this digital elevation model layer panel and go to area of interest, right click and zoom to layer. Now we have to change this color of clipped mask also. To do this, we have to right click on clipped mask, go to properties, from symbology select single band pseudo color, in color ramp select create new color ramp, go to catalog CPT city, OK, and then top of the CPT palettes, here we will select PC by R and click on OK. Now mode will be equal interval, classes will be 10. Click on OK. Now the color will be changed. We have to now input the contour lines. To input the contour lines, we will go to raster, extraction. We will go to raster, extraction and select contour. A window will open up. Here the input layer will be clipped mask. Band number will be band 1. Interval between contours will be 5. And click on run. Now we can see that contour lines have appeared. We have to change the color of the contour lines. To do this, go to contour, right click, go to properties. On the symbology, select simple line, select black color and click on apply. Now you can see that the lines color have changed. Now we have to give them the labels. Go to contours, right click properties, then select labels. From here select single labels. Now in the value panel we have to select ELEV. Change the font size to 8. Click on OK. Now the contour labels have been appeared. We can also input the OSM OpenStreetMap in this file. To do this, go to web, quick map services, OpenStreetMap and OpenStreetMap standard. Now the OpenStreetMap have appeared. We have to change the transparency of this OpenStreetMap. To do this, go to OpenStreetMap OSM standard, right click, select properties, go to transparency and reduce the opacity. Click on apply, click OK. Now we have to create this map of this area of interest. To do this, go to project, select new print layout, give the file name, your name will be the file name, click OK. A new window will open up. Now in this new window we have to add the items. To do this, we have to go to add item and add map. Select the inside area of this rectangular box. Now the map will be exported in this area. Now we have to change the maps area. To do this, we have to go to interactively edit map extent. Select this. Now you can move the map here and there as per your need. You can also change the scale from here. As per your need, the scale of the map can be changed. Now next step is to add legend. To add legend, we have to go to add item, select add legend and select the area where we have to add the legend. Now we can see that all the layers are visible here. We have to remove them. To remove them, we have to first of all deselect the auto update icon. Then from here we have to remove digital elevation model. Here we can remove, from here we can remove it, and OSM standard we have to remove. Now we can see that only the clipped mask, area of interest and contours are visible. We can also give them the border. From here, select the frame, color and thickness of the frame can be selected. Now we can see that border of this legend is visible. Next is to add north arrow. The north arrow can be selected from here. Add north arrow, select the area. We can see that the north arrow is visible. Next is to add the scale bar. Select add scale bar and select the area where we have to input the scale bar. Now we have to increase the segments. To increase the segment, we have to go to segment, and in right 2 we have to increase them to right 6. We can see that the scale bar segments have increased. Now next step is to add the labels. Select from add item, select label and select the area where we have to add the label. From here, input the file name, that is elevation map, and dash your name. Full name you have to input. Now you can see that the font size is very small. To increase the font size, we have to go to font, select it. From here, increase the font size to around 28. Click on OK. You can also align this horizontal alignment to center, vertical alignment to middle, and adjust this label in the middle. Now in the end, we have to give border to this map. To give the border, we have to go to add item, select add shape, add rectangle and select the outer area of this map. Now select style, simple fill. From here, go to symbol layer type and select outline simple line. That's all. Now we have to save this map. To save this map, go to layout, export as image. Wherever we have to save this file, for example, if we have to save this file in desktop, give the file name as Abhishek, save as JPEG format and click on save. It will ask you the export resolution, page width, page height. You can adjust them accordingly. Click on save. Now it is written that successfully exported layout. Now you can view the image. Now we can see the exported image in the desktop. Minimize the windows. Now on this desktop, we can see that this image I have exported and it is saved in JPEG format. So now you have to print this image and paste it in your file. Stick file you have to make for CAD lab, and in that you have to paste this image file of your map with your name. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can come to me and ask. Thank you.